This is how to cancel Microsoft 365 Business Plan subscription. Okay, the first step is to launch a web browser on this interface. For you to get to this interface, it involves visiting admin.microsoft.com. Let me open a new tab here. You can see that admin.microsoft.com. Once you type this, press the enter key of your computer keyboard, you'll be required to log in. All right, so when I jump the process, okay, once you log in, you will see yourself on this interface. The program will greet you. This is my name, okay, my real name. Then and you'll be on the home page. So once on this home page, the next step you need to take is to click on billing. This drop down on billing, you'll be shown some options. Click on your products. Okay, once you're here, you will see the products you're subscribed to, which is this Microsoft 365 Business Standard. Is the main thing. This one is an addition just for security purpose, okay, for two-step verification. All right, you can see that it is free here. So what you need to do is to click on these three dots. All right, you will be shown some options. First, I want to edit recurring billing before I cancel, so I'll click on this, I'll click on this, and I'll click on save. All right, it shows these details. Click on yes. All right, so it will turn off the recurring billing first. Okay, that's automatic debiting of my card every month. Okay, once this is successful, you'll be shown this page. All right, so click on done. Once you cancel the automatic billing, you'll be taken to this page. All right, so you can go ahead and cancel the subscription, but once you cancel the automatic billing, everything is gone. But let's try it because we may get error message. Let's click on these three dots and select cancel subscription. Okay, so here we have been taken to this step. I'll click on next. Then reason for this canceling, let's select this one of the options. So let's go with this, cancel now. And you can see there was an issue submitting your request. Try again or contact this. The reason is because we have canceled it already. So once you cancel automatic billing or recurring billing, everything is gone. So I can just go back, then close this window. So we are done with this. So next time they will not debit us. All right. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.